Hey there, Jat back with another quick video. Should be easy. This is the greatest dog in the world, Minnie, hanging out with me as always. So one thing that can drive you crazy, at least it does me, about some of the older cars that we get is little things that go wrong. This is a wiper nut cover missing quick video that I'm going to put on here that when it fell off, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I was going to have to go to Tesla. I didn't know if I was going to have to take a look around and find a store specific to Tesla that can fix these things. I didn't really know. So I got online, did a whole bunch of research, and was able to come up with a quick and easy solution, very inexpensive. And once again, Amazon comes through for us and gets this thing done. So what I did is I took a look at the particular part, which is a wiper nut cover, very tense name, and I found this on Amazon. I'm sure there's a number of different ones that are out there, different styles, different types, and so forth. I'm gonna put the description of this down below, and you can take a look at it. But it's basically just a little small plastic piece that fits over that wiper nut and makes it much less observable, and you can just simply pop it on there. It takes 2 seconds and costs about 10 bucks or so. So here's what you're going to need to do first though. Go into your Tesla menu and you're going to hit your car button there. You're going to go down to service and click on the, or push on the service portion, and you're going to do wiper, put the wipers up there, and it will actually pull those things up where you can work on them. That's also if you need to replace your wiper blades ever, you can do this, and it will pull your wiper blades up so you're not banging into your hood of the front there. So that's pretty much how that works. Now, basically all I did is just went over, I took the little nut cover and popped it on the windshield wiper and just popped on there. You can hear it snap and it will go. One thing you can also do is open up your frunk to get a little bit easier access to it and push that thing down on there, make sure it's solid. And again, if it comes off again at some point, then all good. Thank you to Minnie. That's an easy solution for everyone. I hope that helps if you have an issue with it. And all the best from Jat. Please like and follow. I'd appreciate it.